Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another video. In this video, we have to talk about a Alberta clipper that's going to move across the northern plains, across the Ohio Valley, and transform into a big, massive nor'easter across the northeast in by about Sunday. So, starting off Friday afternoon, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, we see our Alberta clipper bringing some light to moderate snow across portions of eastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, central and southwestern Minnesota, and most of Iowa. And as we progress through the evening Saturday, by about midnight, the Alberta Clipper has moved towards the Kansas City area, bringing heavy snow around the Kansas City area and moderate snow across most of Iowa, including Des Moines, some snow in Nebraska, around Lincoln and Omaha, and then some snow across western Illinois. And then as we head into Saturday afternoon, the Alberta Clipper dives south into the deep south, bringing rain across Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, southwest Tennessee, and heavy snow to portions of southern Missouri and possibly northern Arkansas. And then as we head towards around midnight Saturday, early Sunday morning Central Time, the system is moving across the south. There could even be some severe storms in the warm sector across Alabama, Georgia, and the Florida Panhandle. And there's some snow going on across southeastern Missouri, northwest Tennessee, southern Kentucky, western, southwestern North Carolina. And then this is where the storm's going to really intensify and get ugly. As we head into Sunday morning around 6 a.m. Central Time, some moderate to heavy freezing rain and sleet is likely across portions of South Carolina and southwestern North Carolina, with snow moving into Virginia, North Carolina, continuing across Kentucky and central Tennessee. And as we head into the evening on Sunday, the storm begins to transform into its nor'easter phase, bringing a ton of heavy rain to eastern North Carolina, southeast Virginia, and heavy snow across northern western Virginia, all West Virginia, southeastern Ohio, and moving into Pennsylvania and Maryland. Heavy snow across Washington, D.C. by Sunday evening. And then as we head into the overnight, the nor'easter is going to deepen very rapidly into a 986 millibar low pressure, bringing heavy snow across Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, and at this point, strong winds of about 30 to 40, even 50 miles per hour across the entire area. And then as we head across the day Monday, this is 12 o'clock Central Time, 1 o'clock Eastern Time. You have a 984 low pressure possibly sitting right over northern New Jersey, bringing snow across most of the Northeast. Strong gusty winds as indicated by these very tight isobars. And then finally, as we head towards Monday evening, the low pressure moves towards New Hampshire, snow continuing across Maine into parts of Quebec, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia. And then it moves out of the area by Tuesday morning, 6 a.m. Central, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. So we're going to be taking a look at possible snowfall totals across all these areas from this snow event and nor'easter. So taking a look at snowfall totals, oh my goodness, you guys. So the GFS model is putting a wide swath of 6 to 10 inches of snow in the pink across eastern North Dakota, southwestern Minnesota, central Iowa, western Missouri. And then as the storm swings across the south, it's going to bring very heavy snow potentially across southern Kentucky, northern Tennessee, southeastern Missouri, with 8 to even 12 inches of snow possible in these areas. And it really depends on far the uh, how far south the uh, Clipper goes before moving northeast. But you could potentially be seeing a foot and a half of snow in portions of South Carolina, northern South Carolina, North Carolina, even not northeastern Georgia, and then in Virginia about 10 to 15 inches across western and central Virginia, West Virginia about 8 to 16 inches, Pennsylvania, oh my goodness, 10 to even 22 inches of snow in these darker greens across western Pennsylvania, New York State up to 2 feet southeast of Lake Ontario in the dark green, and then across the rest of the Northeast, about 10 to 20 inches of snow. So this could become a very major snow event um, across the East Coast, possibly the heaviest we've seen all year. So thanks for watching the video. If you like, leave a like, and stay safe.